What's up guys, Arel here of Good Tech, and OPPO recently introduced the Reno6 5G alongside the trimmed down Reno6Z 5G, which we did a hands-on video recently. We were already impressed with the latter, so how about check out the more powerful OPPO Reno6 5G. If you wanna know more, then just keep on watching. First, let's see what's inside the box. Opening up the lid, we are first greeted with the usual smaller box that contains the SIM ejector tool, manuals, and the free jelly case. Then we get the unit itself, and then we get the Type-C earphones, a USB Type-C cable, and the power brick. And that's all of it. The OPPO Reno6 5G features OPPO's Reno Glow design that we've seen from its predecessors. It has a smooth matte finish with an iridescent glow that changes colors as light falls onto it. The phone is available in Stellar Black and Aurora, which we have right here. The panel is also fingerprint resistant, which improves the overall appeal of the phone. In contrast to the Reno6Z 5G that features rounded edges, the Reno6 has a flat edge design that reminds us of the iPhone 12 series. Holding the phone, the OPPO Reno6 5G is super lightweight, weighing in at 182 grams and sports a thickness of 7.59mm, making it extremely sleek and attractive. Also, do take note that the panel is slightly slippery to hold, and we suggest using the provided silicone case. Flipping to its front, the Reno6 packs a 6.43 inches AMOLED display with full HD Plus resolution and 90Hz refresh rate support. The display is bright enough to use indoors and outdoors, has a crisp screen, and offers good viewing angles. The panel also has a punch hole cutout for the selfie camera on the top left side of the screen. OPPO didn't mention any glass protection, but we do get a screen protector already pre-installed. Located on the left side is the volume rocker, meanwhile on the right side we have the power/lock button. Well, the buttons are tactile and clicky, and they are very easy to reach. Also at the top is the secondary microphone, while at the bottom are the triple card tray for 2 nano size SIM cards and a micro SD card, main microphone, USB port, and loudspeaker. For the cameras, it consists of a 64-megapixel main, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel one for macro. Like usual, we go more in-depth in our full review, but check out some quick sample shots that we got. As for internals, powering the OPPO Reno6 is a MediaTek Dimensity 900 SoC, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, ColorOS 11.3 based on Android 11 for software, and a 4300 mAh battery with support for 65W SuperVOOC 2.0 flash charging, and of course, this device also offers the benefits of a 5G connectivity. There's no official price yet, but nonetheless we'll update you guys in the description box below once it is officially available. We're excited to use it more in the next couple of days, so stay tuned for our full review. And that's it for now. What do you guys think about the OPPO Reno6 5G? Well, do let us know in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit youtube.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Arel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.